Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and hello to all my dear students. Welcome to AIM to Online Education Center. Today we are discussing about how to write research objectives, right? Because I in the previous video I will tell you about what is research objective, and now it is the main thing how to write, because in your research you are not explaining what you should write the research objective to clarify your aim or your focus of your research. So let's start. First point is the pinpoint the major focus of your research. What is your major focus of your research? Why you are conducting your research? What is your aim to conducting research? Like the first step that is to writing your research objective is to pinpoint the major focus of your research project. What major focus? As I will bold it before in the heading. In this step, make sure to clearly describe your aim to achieve through your research. First of all, you are very careful about your aim and what is your aim, what the topic is your aim, and make your topic narrow and to find out the main result you should write in as a research objective. The second one is break down your research focus into research objective. Your focus is your topic, research topic or thesis topic. It is divided into, it is breakdown into a research objective, right? The smaller step or a big step, right? So you big step you call as general objective, and the such as few or smaller step or chunks you set as specific objective or narrow objective. Like there is an example shown in the slide is to determine how work environment affects performance. There are general objectives, but how we elaborate or divide it and break down into general objective into specific objective is to determine whether sunlight improve performance, or you have said that to find out whether uh, energy saver improve performance or whether laptop improve performance. These are the specific objectives you are addressing. Another objective to measure how performance change when work environment change, right? So if the environment is eco-friendly, and then definitely your performance is increased. So you could be more focused. One general objective include research and the several is your specific objective. Like I will give you another example, like to find out the relationship between transformation leadership and employee creativity in banking sector, right? Here is a general objective. So in the next specific objective, how you address to find out the effect of gender on transformational leadership, right? In banking sector, and the other one is to find out the effect of age in employee creativity, and same to find out the effect of gender on transform employee creativity, or to find out the effect of age. So these are several subjective specific objectives you should write in your research or thesis. So what you should do, you should very clear about your focus, major focus. Then you should divide your focus into chunks. One big chunk and the other one is smaller. Big chunk is called general objective, and the other smaller chunks are called specific objective. Then the third one is search objective in the smart format. And what do you mean about smart format? Some students think that it is copy paste. No, smart mean doesn't also mean the smartphone. It means smart. Smart just for the word specific. You should be very specific or be concise, right? Specific means and for measurable. Your objective should be measurable. There should not be hypothetical objective addressing in your research. Like you are talking about the work performance, and you should write the objective in this space. How work performance effect in space, how you go to and check out the research and process someone sent in this space and check out their work performance. No, it cannot be affordable, right? So achievable. Your research objective achievable, right? If we cannot send people to space and check the result, right, for our own sake. So research objective should be achievable. And the other one, fourth one is relevant. It is relevant to your topic. it is not what should student do. Student do in the write the of the topic in Lahore sector and collecting the data all around the world. No, it's not a part of your research. No, you are not addressing your objective. Your objective are not addressing to research the whole nation. If you are interested, you should address your research objective to find out the work performance in the international sector or in the around the globe. So this cannot be possible. You can go for and check the permission. You have permission letter to collect the whole world or globe work performance or in banking sector, right? So the 5 point is time based. It is based time because this, your research project is on time basis, 6 to 7 months through which you can complete your research project. Your research could not have that time, cannot be have uh, the long research, long time, like many qualitative researches had do, in which longitudinal search. You have not need go for longitudinal. Longitudinal search are basically not PhD, but they are for also have time bound limit, right? The fourth point is use action verbs, right? So action verbs are the most important part of research. Students should write the objective in simple sentence like what is meant by this or what is determined, what is no students, you should use the action verbs like to assess, to calculate, to compare, to determine, to describe, to explain, to find, to identify. So these are the action verbs you should use in your research objective. If you are not using this, this means you cannot fulfilling the demand of your thesis. So if your objectives are not in good format or not in using action form, then what should supervisor do in your defense? He should just close your objectives, right? You should use, there are certain lot other action verbs, but these are commonly addressing in our education system or in other systems which are adopting in APS 7 style. So these are the certain objection verbs you should use in, and I will also give you an example in the further. So how should write an objective? So here is the example. To determine whether sunlight improve performance, these are also already we discussed, right? The next one is if your topic of insight to find out the relationship between transformational leadership style and employee creativity, to assess the relationship between teachers job performance and job stress. Or you should write as to calculate the student performance with teacher job performance in education sector, right? So you should opt, in these I first I will give you a very important thing. Openly listen, open your ears and listen this thing, that general objective addressing with your population as well as the search design. The other objective should be different because they are specific objective. So what should do in general objective is a part of, I will also that general objective is also a your thesis topic, but when you use action verb before your topic, then it's make a general objective. So this is the way how you write your research objectives. So if you understand what is the how to write research objective, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon and share your friends and family who are doing research, and I will help them as you help taken help from my channel. So don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.